Hi, it's Mike from customcruisers.com or custom-cruisers.eu, the new automotive site. Okay, this is the latest and greatest thing you can do. You've got a diesel pickup, doesn't do a lot to the gallon. When you add propane via this vaporizer, okay, and this solenoid, i.e. when you're going up a hill, a lot of trucks do use this in the States. This is an American kit by SUPERCHIPS, as you can see, superchips.com. This basically will squirt diesel and propane will mix together, giving you almost 50% more instant power. Okay, so you can basically have a bottle of propane on your tank, on your truck, and what will happen as you squirt the propane in, if you need a bit more power for overtaking or economy, this will massively increase your torque and your power. Okay, and you also get virtually zero emissions. This is the last one we got, all updatable with the software from SUPERCHIPS website. Literally just plug straight into your manifold. Here's your pipe. This will go into your manifold, okay, and into your water heater, heats this, vaporises the gas, the propane fed into here, okay, squirts it down the pipe into your intake, and that's all you need. Very simple to fit, plug straight in. This will plug straight into your 4 to 6 litre Powerstroke, complete with this plug, so there's no splicing, etc. like you do on some systems. We're well over £1,000, this one offer at £600. If you're interested, give us a bell, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com or custom-cruisers.eu. Full range of bully dog performance, rapid flow exhaust, full range of power packs, you name it, we've got it. Thank you.